Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 53 cents and $1.01 by 2030. Market experts accept ALGO could reach 41 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 9 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital currency has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital currency framework. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has in this way lost most of these additions, examiners and sites that conjecture costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? We should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement procedure called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and nearby money appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a cooperation with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a huge number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, pronounced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital currency framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unequaled post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having quite recently delivered an overhaul that improved savvy decreases by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Algorand is at present worth 11 cents USD. ALGO has moved 0.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $30,531,306. Algorand is presently positioned 43 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $823,379,013 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 17 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 16 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 14 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Algorand ALGO cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ALGO will before long outperform 29 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALGO's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 23 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 26 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 41 cents and ALGO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 37 cents and a low of 35 cents in 2025. Algorand value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Algorand effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 53 cents, with a base cost of 47 cents and a typical cost of 49 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 61 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 59 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of 65 cents. Algorand value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 73 cents. In the event that ALGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 76 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 70 cents. Algorand value expectation 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 82 cents and a yearly cost close above 88 cents in 2029. Algorand value forecast 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 94 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.01, averaging out at 96 cents. Algorand value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ALGO cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.16 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.11. And it ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed obstruction levels on the general strength record, giving further certain conjunction for the transient value projection of the ALGO coin. To take part in extra upswings, dealers ought to contemplate scaling into the computerized resource, as a critical retracement is both possible and unforeseeable. The token prior put in serious areas of strength for a keeping up with above earlier standards and setting another record high. All things considered, ALGO's unpredictability, which is average of lower esteemed digital currencies, was plainly noticeable. Financial backers in Algorand will trust it can